Hello everyone. So in this training, I'm gonna let you know some of the newly introduced feature in C Sharp 13, and I will let you know that how these features are going to enhance your programming speed and how the quality code you can write. So before we deep dive in that detail, let's create a console app and I will create a very simple examples for you. C sharp new features. So let's create a console project and then you need to verify whether you have installed a .NET 9.0 version or not. If it is not installed on your machine, then you will not get the C sharp 13 version. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to create my console application. Okay. So now my console application is ready, and the first enhancement I'm going to discuss, that is the params keyword. So params keyword works with the arrays only, and while using the params keyword, when you pass the array in your method or in a function, you don't have to explicitly cast your object accordingly. So let's understand this by one very simple example, and after I will build the example, there are some rules about the params keyword. I will let you know about those also. So let's create a class called Apple Products, right? And this class has a method called public void display products. May say show products, show products, and over there I'm going to pass the list I enumerable string products, and I'm going to console all the products which I'm receiving in this object. So let's call this new Apple products, and I have this list of products here. And what I need to do, I need to say new list of string, and then I need to pass something like this. So you can see here, when I'm passing the parameter to this list, I have to explicitly cast the object before passing the list to the method. So let's run and see that how the result is printing. You can see here that result is printed. This is very simple example. So let's convert this in the params keyword. P is a small, and you don't have to explicitly cast the object like this, and you just need to pass the list simply with the comma separated form in this example. So let's run this and we will have exactly the same result which we had earlier. So you can see here, whenever you are working with specifically array objects, then how this param keyword is helping you. So there are some facts about the param keywords. It should be the last parameter in your method, and uh, it works only with the arrays or the list objects.